How to customize your WooCommerce emails quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can customize your WooCommerce email if it's a notification email, abandoned cart email flow, how to create professional emails for WooCommerce platform so that you can run a successful business. Let's get into it. First of all, what you will do is you can just go to woocommerce.com and you will create your own store. Once you have your own store on WooCommerce, then we need to create emails for different purposes on our WooCommerce. So we can use a lot of other extensions. There are maybe some extensions available with WordPress that we can add to our WooCommerce, and some other email marketing extensions and integrations. The one that I use is known as Klaviyo. So you can go to klaviyo.com and you will get right here. Klaviyo is the official integration partner with WooCommerce, and we can connect our WooCommerce store to our Klaviyo. Klaviyo is an email and SMS marketing platform that allows you to create professional email marketing campaigns. We can also create email flows with Klaviyo. It's a very easy to use platform and is completely free. So all you need to do is just go to klaviyo.com, and if you do not have an account, you can create one with the help of your email address. Once you sign up, this is where you will get. Today I'll show you how I customize my emails for my WooCommerce store. So we just need to work within our Klaviyo once you have connected your WooCommerce. To do that, you're just going to click on integrate external apps, and here you will find right here you will find WooCommerce. You can see, click on add integration, and now you will click on connect to WooCommerce. It will open up the WooCommerce for you, or if you're using WooCommerce with your WordPress, so it will open it up, and all you need to do is just enter it, and you can see it will be added as a plugin. Now you're good to go. We have connected our Klaviyo with our WooCommerce. Now every email campaign that I will create within my Klaviyo, it's going to be for WooCommerce. So let's go ahead and start it. You can go to the campaigns right here, and then you're going to click on create new campaign. So we can go for email or SMS. So I'm going to go with email and click on create. All right, so first we have to give it a name. I'm going to go ahead and call it a test WooCommerce. Then we can select different tags if you have any, and you will select your recipient list. This is actually the list of our customers that we have on our WooCommerce. So you can create your own customer list or integrate the list that you already have. You can just import the list and enter it right here. I'm going to go ahead and quickly select these lists from here, my engaged customers. And then we can also exclude some recipients. Moving on, we will go to the next step, which is going to be the content. All right, so we have to enter a subject line or a preview text. Let's say I'm creating a welcome email for my customers, like an email I send to my new customers that create an account on our store and that buy something from our store. So I'm going to go with welcome. This is going to be the subject line, and I will just enter like welcome to all my new customers. So you will enter a preview text, then you can enter your sender name and sender email address, and then we have to design our email. To design, we can select if we want to go with the coding, if we want to go with text only. So as a beginner, I think drag and drop is the easiest way to create an email. So I'm going to go with the drag and drop. Here we have to select different templates, and with WooCommerce, we can actually send professional email campaigns, we can send professional emails, and also aesthetically pleasing emails. So it's a welcome, email that I am creating for my customers and I am customizing for WooCommerce. So I'm just going to go with this simple template that we have here. Let's go ahead and select this one right here. We can add our products here. We can add buttons to a email. So I'm just going to use the template. The template, it doesn't matter what kind of template it is, because we can customize it completely and turn it into our themed email that we will be sending to our customers. So here we have our email, and you can see it's a pretty, long email we have different sections to it. So I do not want that. I'm actually going to go for a simple one. So I'm just going to get rid of few of the stuff. How to do that? You're just going to go ahead and select that section. For example, this one right here, like this image. and you're just going to click on delete, and that section will be deleted from the email. So I'm just going to get rid of the access stuff that we have on this template, and then I'll show you how to customize it. So this is what we have now. I kind of like got rid of everything. First we have the logo place. So this is where you will be entering the logo for your WooCommerce store that you have. So you will enter a logo here. If you do not want to do that, you can just get rid of this section as well. And the first thing that I am going for, I'm going to add a text. What you need to do is just simple drag and drop. You will drag the text here and drop it here. Then it will open it up for you. And here you have to enter the text. And I'm going to go with welcome. Okay. Now let's change the alignment and make it centered aligned. Then I'm going to make it bold right here. We can also change the size a little bit and make it a bigger. So I'm going to do like this. Okay, so we have our main text here. Then I'm going to click on done. Moving on, I'm going to again add some text. So we're going to drag and drop it right here. This is going to be the next section. And here, I'm just going to add some of the text, like an introduction about our store. So this is where the text will be. And I'm just going to go ahead and add like a dotted line so that you can get an idea. Okay, now I'm going to click on done. And it will be added here. Then I want an image, and the image is going to be like a product image or our store image. So once the image is added, you're going to click on browse from library. Now you can upload from the images that you already have, or you can import a URL, and then we have upload from our computer. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attach an image. So I have added this image here where we have our product in use. I'm going to click on done. Then what I'm going to do is we have other options. We have buttons, headers, social, drop shadow. Then we have dividers and liners. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a horizontal line here and drop it so that it divides. So it can divide our, sections. For example, actually, let's get rid of it for now. Okay, so I have added a horizontal line. Then we have some of these things, for example, the, advantages. And I think it was looking pretty good where we have our services like need help. Then we have our free shipping option and gifts. And that's what we do with our store. So I'm going to keep this section right here. For now, I'm going to click on done. And then I'm going to add one more section here, and which is going to be the product section so that we can show products of our store. So I'm going to go with the products right here. And we're going to add it here above our this. Now we have dynamic and static. So I'm going to go with static right here. And we just need to add products. Click on add product. And you will select the products that you have on WooCommerce. So this is how we integrate products into our emails using Klaviyo. This is where you will add the products. Then I'm going to click on done. Then we have this section here and we have social. How to add socials? Again, simple drag and drop. It will show you some of the socials. You can add another icon. For example, we have Facebook, Instagram, and email, but we can add more. And then you can click on it and enter your link address to enter your social media. Once you're done with your email, you can change the background color. So you can see the background color right now is this one right here. I'm going to actually change it to something else. We're gonna go to styles, and in styles you can see the color is pinkish. I'm gonna change it to the theme of my store, so it's going to be this one right here. Okay, once the email is done, and now I'm gonna click on save and exit, and after that we can schedule this email. We can also create email flows, for example abundant cart email flows, which is very famous integration that we use with WooCommerce. So you can also create the flows from here. Once this email is done, now I will be able to send it to the list that I have, and these are going to be the list for the customers that I have on WooCommerce, and this is going to be my email for my WooCommerce audience. This is how we create and customize emails for WooCommerce. You can also use other integrations, but Klaviyo is very easy to use and also allows you to create SMS campaigns and email flows. So go ahead and check it out right now. All you need to do is just connect your klaviyo.com to your woocommerce.com and you're good to go. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.